Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to reverse footage in CapCut. Here are the steps to reverse footage in CapCut. First is to unlock your mobile phone and open the CapCut app. Tap the New Project button on the main screen. Browse your gallery and select the video clip you want to reverse. Tap Add at the bottom to load the video into your timeline. Play your clip once to preview it and make sure it's the right one. Tap on the video track in the timeline to select it. At the bottom menu, swipe left until you find the reverse option. Tap Reverse. CapCut will begin processing your clip. Wait a few seconds while the app reverses the footage. Processing time depends on clip length. Once done, tap play to preview your reversed video. If needed, trim by dragging the edges of the video clip on the timeline, or use the split sections to adjust reverse part. Add music, sound effects by using audio, or text if you want to enhance your reversed video. Tap the AO Ultra HD at the top right corner. Choose your resolution and frame rate. Then tap Export to save your reversed video to your gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.